Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, BMW X1, xDrive, 4-wheel drive, 1.8 diesel, 2014, metallic grey. Car has front parking sensor, front fog lights, it's got 18-inch alloy wheels, got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. Split folding rear seats. Full cream leather interior. It's got side and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX child seat preparation. 4 electric window. Electric mirror. Front auto headlights. Satellite navigation. Telephone, Bluetooth connection.
I make sure that Northside eat
DAB radio. Media interface, got aux connection. Push button to start. 2-zone climate control, air conditioning. Auto start stop function. Eco Pro mode. USB aux connection, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.